Hello students, let us continue with modals. We have already done use of can, could, may and might. Today we are going to do use of would. First of all, let me tell you that would is the past of will. Would is also a modal and it means that we use would as past of will. So past of will, when reporting what somebody has said or thought, when we are changing from direct to indirect speech, we change will to would. Okay, for example, he told me, see, he told me that he would help me. In direct sentence, in direct speech, the sentence will be he said to me that he said to me I will help you. So we have changed will into would when reported speech is in past tense. Okay, number 2 is to would is also used to ask politely to do something. When you are asking somebody that he should do something for you. Okay, you are asking for the favor, so you will say, would you open the door please? Would you mind giving your pen to me? Would you offer your book to me? These are the uses of would. So when we are asking politely, could is also right. Could को भी गलत नहीं किया जाएगा. Could is also right and would is also used to say that you are saying something, you are asking for offer politely. And third one is to express polite offers, invitations. Okay, ऊपर वाले सेंटेंस में क्या था, you are asking for the favor, आप अपने लिए किसी से कोई फेवर चाह रहे थे. would you mind if you close the door please? Okay, so in this one, point number 3, to express polite offers, invitation. Would you have a cup of tea with me? Would you have lunch with me? Mean you are offering something to someone. For example, you are offering tea, you are saying please have tea with me. So you will say, would you have a cup of tea with me? Would you come to my home? Would you come to my home at my sister's marriage? ठीक है. Then we have with verbs like, love. See these words like, love, hate, prefer, be glad or happy. With all these verbs we use would. For example, I would like. Love and like, same meaning. Okay, love and like, same meaning. I would like to speak on population growth. I would like to speak on politics. I would love to help the poor. Okay, hate इसका opposite है. I would hate criticizing anybody. I would hate to discuss politics in my classroom. Okay, then we have prefer. I would prefer tea to milk. किसको prefer कर रहे हो आप, किसको preference दे रहे हो? I would prefer. Suppose somebody is asking, would you like to have a cup of tea or coffee? You would say, I would prefer coffee to tea. I would prefer coffee to juice. Okay, then be glad. I would be glad if you help your friend. I would be happy if you help your friend. Okay, तो इन सभी में like, love, hate, prefer, the meaning is preference. You are giving preference. Suppose 2 topics are given to you. आपके टीचर आपको 2 टॉपिक्स दे देते हैं, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ एंड राइजिंग प्राइसेस. इन दोनों में से आपने बोलना है, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक ऑन राइजिंग प्राइसेस. ओके, सो नंबर 5 इज टू एक्सप्रेस पास्ट हैबिट्स, रूटीन्स. ओके, to express past habit or routines. Past habits mean those habits are not in use now. you don't have those habits, at present you don't have those habits. वो habits past में थी, अब आप वो छोड़ चुके हो. वो routine past में थी, अब नहीं है, इसलिए इसको past में use करेंगे. कैसे? वहाँ पर would means used to, जो meaning used to का होगा वही would का होगा, या बिना modal के when you are using second form of the verb, past form of the verb. Okay, to express past habits. How? My grandmother would go to temple daily when she was in village. It means now she is in city and she does not go to temple. Not present habit, but it was her past habit to go to temple daily. Okay, I would study Sanskrit when I was in school. It means now you are in college and you don't have Sanskrit as optional subject. Okay, so you can say I would go to school on foot. I would get up early in the morning and pray to God. Then I would study up to 12 at midnight. Then you can say my grandmother would go to temple, she would feed the sparrows. It means she doesn't feed now, or maybe she is no more now, she is not among you people, so you can say she would do this, she would do that. So would or used to, you can also use used to. For example, my grandmother used to go to temple daily. Same, would and used to. Or if you are not using modal, then you can say, you can use second form of the verb, past form of the verb. How? My grandmother went to temple daily when she was in village. Okay, but now there is no temple in the vicinity, so she doesn't go to temple at all. Okay, so habits and routines is used for, okay, habits and routines. We are using would here. Then we have to comment on the characteristic behavior in the past. किसी का पास्ट में कोई ऐसा बिहेवियर था, सेम हैबिट की तरह ही है, करेक्टरिस्टिक हैबिट. जैसे आप बोलें कि दादी माँ है, वो किसी से बात नहीं करती थी, वो अपने काम में काम रखती थी, ठीक है, वो किसी की क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करती. दीज आर द करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैबिट्स. ठीक है, तो आप बोल सकते हैं माई ग्रैंड मदर वॉज सो सिंपल, सो जेंटल, सो ऑनेस्ट, शी would not criticize anybody, she would not waste her time in gossiping. Okay, she would not do this, she would not do this, she would do this, she would help the poor. Mean it was her characteristic habit. Okay, characteristic behavior or habit. So these are almost same. So we have all these 6 points. We have more points. So आज मैंने आपको ब्लैक बोर्ड पर इसलिए मॉडल्स करवाए हैं क्योंकि जो स्लाइड्स है, पीपीटी है, वो थोड़ी लेंथी हो जाती है और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स बोले कि वी मस्ट हैव द फीलिंग ऑफ क्लासरूम फीलिंग शुड बी देयर. तो क्लासरूम फीलिंग्स के लिए मैंने आपको आज फिर से, ये ब्लैक बोर्ड छोटा है पर ठीक है आपका काम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ 7th पॉइंट इज वुड इज यूज टू एक्सप्रेस स्ट्रॉन्ग विश. जैसे हम हिंदी में काश ये बोलते हैं, that is your strong wish, kash, to express strong wish. For example, would that I were a king, would that I were a king, would that I were a millionaire, would that I were a sparrow. Okay, kash, that is your strong wish, would that, and sign of exclamation. Okay, then next point is would is used to express preference. I have already told you that use of love, like, hate, prefer, these all show preference, but here would is followed by rather. Whenever would is followed by rather, no other modal will be used with rather. Okay, when we are talking about rather, would is used with rather to express preference with when followed by rather. For example, I would rather die than beg. Mean you are preferring death but you are not ready to beg. Suppose you have a fight with your friend you are not ready to talk to him. So some other friends are pleading before you, requesting you, please talk to him. आपको बार बार बोल रहा है अपने दोस्त से बात करो, बात करो. आप बोले मैं मर जाऊंगा लेकिन बात नहीं करूंगा उसके साथ. ठीक है. I would rather die than talk to him. He is nonsense. Okay. So I would do this. Okay. Then next point is would imagine. Would imagine, would say, would think. I would imagine, I would say, I would think. Used to give opinions. These expressions are used to give your opinions that you are not certain about. You are not certain, you are not sure about that. Just you are expressing your opinions. My opinion is this, but I am not sure about that. For example, I would imagine he will complete the assignment in 2 days. This is just your opinion. You are not sure whether he would do this in 2 days or not. So you would say, I would imagine he will complete the assignment in 2 days. Then I would think he can help you. This is my opinion. Okay. I would imagine, I would say, I would think. I would think he can help you. This is just my opinion. I am not sure he is going to help you or not. I would say he was about 60. I am just guessing his age. He might be 60. Okay. I would say he was about 60. He is 60 or not. I am not sure. This is my opinion. Then if would is used with if only, it expresses a hopeless wish. Hopeless wish. This is not going to be true. If only he would come. आप किसी का वेट कर रहे हैं. If only he would come. Just expressing hopeless wish. Okay. So with if only he would come. If only he would top in the examination, again hopeless wish. Okay. So these were the 10 points you will have to learn properly to do well in your examination. Any type of examination, whether board examination, any competition. Okay. So students, once again I am telling you that in one of my previous videos I have told you about conditional sentences. I have told you about conditional sentences. In conditional sentences we also use would. आप उस वीडियो को दोबारा से देख सकते हो. कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस वाली उसमें वुड का यूज है. और मैं आपको 2 पॉइंट उसके बता सकता हूं. तीसरा पॉइंट यूज ऑफ विल के साथ होगा. फर्स्ट वी यूज वुड विद अनरियल विश. अनरियल, इमेजिनरी, विश और कंडीशन. विश नहीं लिखना तो यहां पर आप कंडीशन लिखिए, बिकॉज वी आर talking about conditional sentences. Condition, when the condition is unreal, that is not true. Okay, then you use would. For example, आप कई बार अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर हो, आप उनको बोलते हो काश में चिड़िया होती तो दौड़ करके उड़ करके घर आ जाती, मैं ट्रेन होती तो भाग करके आ जाती. बट यू आर नॉट अ ट्रेन, यू आर नॉट अ बर्ड आइदर. सो unreal or imaginary wish. And conditional sentences start with if. They are with if clause. If I were a bird, if I were a sparrow, I would fly to you. जैसे आपके फ्रेंड कई बार बोलते हैं दौड़ के नहीं आ सकती है, जल्दी आती जल्दी आती. आप बोलते अगर मैं ट्रेन होती तो मैं भाग करके 2 मिनट में आ जाती. ठीक है. तो इफ आई वर अ बर्ड, या आप उसको बोल सकते हो यार कमाल कर रहे हो, मैं कोई मशीन हूं. अगर मैं मशीन होती, वो बोलते जल्दी करो ये काम जल्दी होना चाहिए. आप बोलते अगर मैं मशीन होती तो जल्दी करती. इफ आई वर अ मशीन आई वुड डू इट फास्ट. ओके, दिस इज क्लियर. देन इफ वर इज नॉट हियर you can use second form. If he worked hard he would pass. This is imaginary. दिस कंडीशन इज इमेजिनरी। जैसे आप किसी को घूमते हुए देख रहे हो, इधर घूम रहा है उधर घूम रहा है, कभी पढ़ता नहीं है, तो आप बोलते हाँ पढ़ता तो कुछ कर लेता, पढ़ता तो कुछ कर लेता। मीन यू आर नॉट होपफुल दैट ही वुड स्टडी, okay, he would work hard. So you say if he worked hard, whenever there is were or second form past form, it would be followed by would only. Okay, then the other conditional sentence is, I have already given conditional sentences in minutely, very in detailed discussion has been done there, so you can go and watch that video, or otherwise second condition is impossible condition. Impossible condition. Impossible condition means some point of time in the past that condition was possible at that time, that could be fulfilled, that condition could be fulfilled, but now टाइम हैज़ गॉन, टाइम जा चुका है। पास्ट में आप उस कंडीशन को फुलफिल कर सकते थे, अब आप उस कंडीशन को फुलफिल नहीं कर सकते हो बिकॉज टाइम हैज़ गॉन। ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे किसी का रिजल्ट आया, बोर्ड के एग्जाम हुए, रिजल्ट आया, फेल हो गया, और बाद में आप उसको क्या कहोगे, आप तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते। आपने कहा यदि आपने कठिन परिश्रम किया होता तो पास हो जाते, ठीक है। इफ यू हैड वर्कड हार्ड you would have passed or topped the examination. Okay, if you had plus third form, would have plus third form, जहाँ पर were था would हो गया। if you had worked hard, आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, had you worked hard you would have passed the examination, mean something did not happen because something else did not happen first. कोई काम इसलिए नहीं हुआ क्योंकि उससे पहले जिस काम को होना चाहिए था वो नहीं हुआ। क्या होना चाहिए था? You should have worked hard, आपको कठिन परिश्रम करना चाहिए था, इसलिए ये नहीं हो सका, पास होने वाली एक्शन नहीं हो सकी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मॉडल वुड। आज मैंने ज़्यादा कवर नहीं किए हैं, बड़ी वीडियो बन जाती है। स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वॉच लेंथी वीडियोज। ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट video, in next lesson we will do use of should, must, ought to. Okay, we will do should, must, ought to. ठीक है, these are also models. must के साथ एक हम have to भी करेंगे। ठीक है, what is the difference between must and have to? So till then, thank you. First learn about would, may, can, could, then we will continue with next modals. Thank you.